Hey guys, welcome back to Cozy English Corner. I'm Sarah, and I'm really happy you're here today.
And I'm Sam, and today we're talking about something simple but surprisingly emotional: eating alone at a cafe.
Eating alone sounds easy, but honestly, it's a whole experience.
Yes, it's quiet, a bit awkward at first, and then suddenly peaceful. It teaches you a lot about yourself without you even noticing.
I remember the first time I ate alone at a cafe.
Oh, really? How did it feel?
Honestly, I was nervous at first, like everyone was secretly watching me.
That's exactly how I felt too. You walk in confidently, but inside you're asking, where do I sit? Will this look weird? The mind creates problems that don't exist.
But once you sit down, something magical happens.
Yes, the world slows down a little.
And you start noticing details, the sound of cups, soft chatter, sunlight on the table.
Eating alone is like spending time with your own thoughts.
Some thoughts are loud, some are gentle, but at a cafe, everything becomes a little softer. Listener, have you ever eaten alone somewhere?
Maybe you felt awkward, or maybe you loved the peace.
It's a special feeling, a mix of shy and strong. When I eat alone, I always choose a window seat.
Oh yes, the window seats feel safe and cozy.
You can look outside and pretend you're in a movie scene.
I love watching people walking by.
Same, it feels like you're part of the world, but not in the middle of everything.
A quiet observer, sipping your coffee.
Sometimes I bring a book, but never read it.
That's so relatable.
The book becomes decoration while my mind just thinks about random things.
Eating alone can make you feel brave.
Yes, because you're choosing yourself in that moment. You're not waiting for someone to join you. You're enough.
But there are days when eating alone feels heavy, too.
True, especially when your heart is tired. The silence feels deeper on those days.
Once, I went to a cafe alone after a bad day.
What happened?
The quiet helped me breathe again, like the world was giving me a break.
Cafes have healing energy.
Yes, little pockets of warmth.
Even strangers around you make the place feel alive.
Sometimes I look around and see other people eating alone too.
Me too. And it makes me feel less strange, like we're all sharing a silent moment of independence.
The funny part is nobody is actually watching you.
Exactly. Everyone is thinking about their own life. Once you realize that, eating alone becomes peaceful. I like ordering something small, like a croissant.
And I always get a hot drink because it adds warmth to the moment.
Holding a warm cup feels like holding comfort.
Eating alone is also a break from noise.
Yes, the world becomes gentle for a while. No rush, no pressure, just you and your plate.
Sometimes you learn a lot about yourself when you're alone.
What you like, what you think about, what you need. The silence helps you hear your own thoughts clearly. Listener, if you feel scared to eat alone outside, it's okay.
Everyone feels that way at first.
Start with something small, a simple tea or a snack.
Once you try it, you'll understand the beauty of it.
The freedom is unmatched. You choose your pace, your table, your silence.
I think eating alone teaches self-love.
Yes, it reminds you that your own company is enough. And sometimes that's the love we forget to give ourselves.
Next time you feel overwhelmed, try going to a cafe alone.
Choose your favorite seat, order something comforting, and let the moment be soft.
Let yourself enjoy existing without performing for anyone.
Eating alone doesn't mean you're lonely.
It means you're learning independence and peace.
It means you're choosing a small moment for yourself.
Thank you for spending this time with us.
I hope your next solo cafe moment feels warm and safe.
And remember, your own company is worth enjoying.
See you next time, dear listener.